Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is August 4th, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, a stock I'm going to talk about today is a company that many people ask me questions about, and it's Corp. And what you're going to see here is that this stock put in a little bit of a double top pattern. The double top was made right in early July, and you've had a pretty good pullback since then. Meanwhile, if you take a look at the GDX, which is the Gold Miners ETF, that is at a high. That tells me right off the bat that Corp is a little bit on the weaker side, and it's not showing relative strength compared to its peers. So whenever you see something like this, you have to look lower. Now, when I see this bearish red bar right here that occurred on the 28th, that's telling me that Corp wants to go a bit lower. So right off the bat, I know that we have a big gap fill window right here. This stock probably is headed down towards a $17 level. Now, could that be a place to get involved on the long side? It's very possible, and we don't want to rule it out, so we want to keep that level on the charts and look for pattern. 17 could be a possible buy level, but very often when a stock is weak compared to its peers in the industry group, the stock does want to go lower, so you have to be a little bit careful. Now, what I like to do very often is I like to go to a bigger time frame and just to clear up the noise and see what the chart is telling me. And right off the bat, I see another big level around $16, and then you have the 50-week moving average, which is this red line here around $15. And I think these are probably better areas to get in Corp on a longer term basis. And what do I mean by a longer term basis? Well, you could pull back into this level and still have a bigger horizon, bullish chart pattern on a longer time scale, meaning many months out. And when I see something like this, I like to find stocks that are weak relative to its industry group, because I think you could get bargains on them at lower prices. As soon as they clear up their problems or their issues, stocks come down. So again, I would look around that $15 to $16 level to get involved in Corp. And I think this is a stock sometime by the end of the year, maybe even early in 2017, probably trades around $27, $28 a share, which is quite a bit of upside when you consider right now the stock is at 18. But do not look to get into Corp right now. This is a weak pattern. This is a bearish pattern. And in fact, on the daily chart, you can see price trading below its 20-day and 50-day moving averages, which tells us it's in a weak technical position. But if you get a chance to own the stock around the $15 level, I think that's where traders, even 16 with this pivot might be a pretty good area. But that's where I would re-examine it. Right now, Corp is showing weak relative strength to its peers, and that's not a stock that you want to be involved with at the moment. All right, with that being said, everybody, if you want to trade Corp, you want to trade gold stocks with us, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. Come over, take a 7-day free trial also to our research center. You'll see everything that we're doing in there. Both programs are great for traders. If you do the research center, you'll get all of our nightly chart setups. You'll get our No Hype live broadcasts, which allow members to come in and ask us questions about anything market related. In fact, we're having a No Hype live broadcast tonight at 5:15 p.m. I will be hosting that, so traders come in, ask me any questions about anything market related. Again, you'll get all of our cycle work. You'll also get all of our content, and that's all part of the Research Center product. Or if you want a hands-on, day-by-day product, come on over and take a 7-day free trial to our intraday stock chat, and you could talk to me and my partners each and every day live. You see everything that we're doing, trade right alongside of us. So again, check it out for yourself, see what works for you, and we'd love to have you on board. With that being said, everybody have a great trading session, and we'll see you on the charts.